Okay, welcome back everyone to another exciting tutorial related to AI tools. And this is going to be a very special one because today we are not just going to talk about Midjourney and various way to just generate creative images using tools or the AI tools, but today we are going to apply apply AI on some real use cases that we as creators face in on YouTube, and we probably can use this technique and any other way. So today's tool in focus is called Genmo. You can search for Genmo on the Google, and you can just create your account, or you can log into the Discord server, where you can see that I'm in the Discord server for the tool, and here I'm using the classic app version for Genmo Alpha. I do not recommend at this point that you directly go to the tool because it takes a while for you to get approved and be out of the wait list. But anyways, you can still use with you can use this alpha experience of Genmo through having some free credits. You can eventually get some more credits through subscribing it anyway. So the first steps you need to do to start using the tool is go to google.com and search for Genmo, and you're going to land on the Genmo website. You click on Genmo, and there you go. So you can either join Discord or create a video. So it's go beyond 2D, create videos from the text with AI. So it's not really a video per se, but it's a transition of the images. But I did some experiments, and I think these can be used for YouTube Shorts in a very perfect way. So the goal here today is to talk about how to use Genmo to create some eye-catching background or videos for your YouTube Shorts. So, for instance, I'm gonna go to the Genmo Alpha experience here. So it's their web app. So I'm going to start creating a YouTube short, which would eventually be lasting between somewhere between 3 to 4 seconds. So you can experiment, and you can create a bit longer length, and you can merge a couple of videos together. But anyways, this is out of scope. Today we are going to just see how to use Genmo and how to take benefit of it for creation of the content for the YouTube. So here we are going to write a prompt. Before we can actually write a prompt, you see here that there are a few resolutions for videos. You can probably choose from millions of pre-generated images. You can just search pre-generated images in Genmo. You can create a custom starting frame, or you can upload your own video. Ideally, what I would want to do is I could do is that I could go to Discord for my this is from my previous video, but anyways, so what I could do is that I could actually pick up an image, and I could plug it into Genmo, but and then just create more create more iterations from that. But anyways, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna start from scratch. So here, let's say so we are gonna say first we are going to change resolution here, and we're going to say woman in her 20s, standing on the beach and watching, or maybe not too long. Let's forget for now. Forget it for now. So we're going to generate the image, and let's see what it comes up with. It's going to take a while, of course, just like my other videos and experiments. The AI tools actually take some time. Okay, at least it's a bit faster than what we have experienced on Midjourney. So yeah, cool. Okay, so I'll just select this frame. So there are some suggestions here. Make her face more pale, her eyes more piercing, her hair darker, lighten the skin, and make her look like a little more tan. I cannot even see her face. So anyways, so in order to generate the next frame, what we need to do is we need to click on the add edit button here. There we go. So we're gonna click add edit, and so for the first edit, in fact, this was here. So we are going to write now woman in des in rainy raining street. Edit two. Now we're gonna put here as woman in standing in a desert, and in the edit three, woman in a fantasy jungle, maybe. Okay, so and the customization option is you can increase the length or decrease the length. I'm gonna stick with the defaults here, so I'm gonna keep the length here to 4 seconds. Exploration 50, dynamism, smoothness, and edit with instructions. That's all. That's the seed of the video. Seed, for some of you who are not aware of machine learning, is the deterministic ability of the machine learning algorithm to create the same output again and again. So if I use a different seed and you use a different seed, we are never going to get the same results from the machine learning models. So this just for the information, anyways. So okay, anyways, we're going to try to have these three edits in our video, and we hit the make video button, and we're going to see what we come up with. Okay, so it's going to start rendering. Looks no, it's pending. Okay, so hopefully it's just, does not waste more of a time for us, and we can get some results. But importantly, we can actually get some good results, right? So these AI tools, as compared to the text to image tools, are in a very primitive and very basic form as of today. But in any case, you know, they're improving much faster. So there are another couple of tools which produce some great videos as well. But anyways, we are going to cover Gen more here, and eventually let's see what we can actually come up with. And it's not bad. Other than that, we have that logo in the at the bottom. I could download that, right? So yeah, and probably if I would have to edit that, and yeah, if I would have to edit that, probably I could come up with some better results. But let's see what we can do with that. So um, yeah, we can make a new video, or we can remix this video. Okay, this takes her back. This takes us back, and Owens in a raining. What was the original prompt here? Ooh, woman in a raining street, which is probably it's not understanding it that much. So I'm just thinking that what we should put here. So we woman in busy street. Let's see if it does not get confused. So standing in a busy street. So I'm just trying to make transitions here, right? So these transitions work well with the YouTube shorts. So make video. This in the unknown state. Probably you'll need a tool like Canva to make further edits to it, but or add these transitions to the background. But I believe that these are going to work fine. Um, this looks okay. I mean, let's see, it's running. It's probably rendering something. This image is cool, right? So this one looks great. Yeah, so you can probably, and imagine if I'm just thinking out loud here. So you have this at the as a background, and probably you can get some quotes and you can put in front of that, and you can remove the Genmo logo. Eventually, it will need more time here, but this is going to be fantastic. So I believe that it's a pretty handy tool to work on for YouTube Shorts, and I definitely recommend it. But in any case, this is pretty much it. I mean, it's Genmo, and you can use the classic Alpha app of Genmo's interface, and you can produce some some informative YouTube shorts with some very catchy background. And I believe that definitely they're gonna you can experiment more with the tool itself. So this was it from my side today, and hopefully I'm going to catch up with you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and as I always say, so I'm really glad and thankful for all the support that I've been able to get from you guys so far. So in the end, I'll just request that please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to like the video. It helps me and motivates me to create more videos. Thank you very much. And for some of you who have not been able to hear me in a good way, I apologize. I've not been able to buy a new mic still. So thank you very much for your time, and take good care of your time and health always. I'll see you in the next video.